And welcome to my tutorial that shows how to make your own cursor. Okay, you need to download Real World Cursor Editor. Just click on the link in the description. Okay, you need to open it up. Click create. Double click on this new mouse cursor, and you should get this. I'm gonna use polygon, linear gradient, and fillet. Okay, over here you can choose the colors. I'm just gonna do it with black and blue because they are my favorite colors. And you can see it, I did it with this mouse. Okay, here's the preview of the mouse. There's nothing because I haven't made something. Here's the hotspot. Here's the chest area. Okay, the black line you can see is the hotspot area. A little bit like Snake. Okay, so to make your own cursor you need to click and drag. Don't make it too big, then it's gonna look like this. You don't want that. Okay, so let me undo it. Faster way to do that is just Control and Z. Okay, just click and drag. Don't make it big, don't make it too small, just make it like that you want. Okay, you can I can change the black to where I want it. Want it to be. I want it to the right. Okay, and the blue all the way over here. Okay, you can do something like this too. That's cool. Okay, gonna do this. Oh, damn it! Wait a second. Okay, it doesn't look like that I made before, but I did my best. So just stick with it. Okay, you can. I'd recommend something like this, and let me get some more black on this. Okay, there it is. There it is. And you can do it in the middle too. Yeah, something like that. This. Okay, I'm not done yet. I do this too. Gonna do this. Okay, now I got something like this. Okay. Gonna make this thin. Okay, so this is what I have. Okay, you need to put it in this top left corner. Okay, then just click here, and you get the preview. Okay, chest area, everything. Remember, the black line is the hotspot. Okay, before now, there's a big difference. Okay, so to save it, you click File, Save As, right there. You need to name it some that you want. Okay. You don't need to do it, but I'm naming chest, and you need to do this .cur. That if you not make that CUR, it's not a cursor. So yes, I want that to do it. Okay, close it, and if you want it to your mouse, then change your cursor and find it. Let me see where about I can find it anywhere there. And okay, that was my sister to ask me about something. Whatever. Okay, here's the mouse, my mouse now, but I'm not gonna use it. Okay, it's just a tutorial. Okay, see ya.